How to recruit in dark war. So in dark war, in order to recruit, it is a very easy process. You need to recruit heroes. So for that, you'll need those hero fragments as well as those yellow looking, gold looking characters like this. So you can see those prime ticket. They are basically called prime tickets, and those prime tickets basically are available with you. And then if you use that, you'll have to go to the radio station and then recruit those heroes. So first of all, you must make sure you've got unlocked the radio station, and then once you've unlocked the radio station, you'll get an option to upgrade as well as to recruit your heroes from there. So once you're there, you can simply recruit the heroes, and that's how it's gonna work. So hopefully this video helps. Here you can see recruit. So see, you can easily recruit them. Also you recruit them using those uh orange prime cards or yellow prime cards. Hopefully this video helps.